Hey, what's up, guys? It's Sammy again here. Uh, After 2 weeks sickness, corona, I'm feeling now a little bit better, and I am now 2 weeks home, and just it's so boring for me, and that's why uh, I'm coming to start make something. And what I want to talk today, let me take a look like this. What I want to talk about, I want to talk about some interesting things. Uh, let's just start like this. BSC scan. Who knows what is this? We have here an API, web page, web application, and what it does, it's tracking transactions and those things that happened in BSC, Binance Smart Chain. Let's take a look. We had also Etherscan, exact the same. These are not a copy of each other. They are making a standardization. Just this is standard. This is the same, just the same. Because for me, I know how this works, and I don't need to learn something in this web page and there, and that's why they use the same template. Okay, and now. Uh, Here it show last transactions that happened in this chain, in this Binance chain, and with other word, Binance contracts. And here is it. Take a look. For example, I want to see the price or the transaction of some coin that I want to buy. And let me show you something else. Take a look here. Uh, there are two types of things. There is a coin like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and there is also token. What is the difference between those two? It's a coin. A coin has own blockchain. Binance has own blockchain. Ethereum has own blockchain. These are coins. It has own network, own systems. But something, for example, like this Tether, it has no own blockchain. It uses other blockchain to handle itself. Take a look here. Tether is, you see that everywhere because Tether is the standard one, and it say this token uses another blockchain on another node to execute transactions. And this is not the only one. For example, there are about 20-30 coins and the rest are tokens. And take a look here. For example, I say here, you should understand this. Take a look here. When you come in to this page, you see here it say blockchain. This token is launched on Avalanche blockchain, and this one, for example, Edenloop, is launched on Ethereum blockchain, and this one on BNB blockchain, and this one on Phantom, and so on. Okay, and now today I want to talk about BNB, BSCSCAN, or Binance Smart Chain. Okay, and now, hey Sami, let's show me something. You say Tether, okay? I say Tether. I'm still saying. Just let me copy that contract address. Let me copy contract address and And let's see. Okay, this is our contract address, and I say, okay, I'm coming to that chain. I say, okay, this is my contract address, and let me see what you show me. And what it say? It say contract overview. BUSDT Tether stablecoin. Stablecoin. The price should stay $1. Whoa, how much is this? 4 million. Okay, and this is you see here transactions. You see here last transactions that coming. See 18 seconds back. Block number 828. Block number 828. Ooh, take a look in 1 second. What happened? Okay, and now, for example, something more. SafeMoon. This token, you guys know. It is also token. See, I'm copied. I'm coming here, and I say, search this fucking one, and you say, oh, SafeMoon protocol, old SafeMoon token, and you say, okay, 19 seconds back, there was last transaction from this to this, and so on. Okay, this is one. You get what I mean by this web page. You see, this is really a really beautiful one because it's not complicated. It is really easy one. Okay, and now I want to show you something. Look, I want to introduce you a web page, and I believe maybe you know about it, and that is PooCoin. PooCoin. It's a PooCoin BSC charts. It said you are coming in this web page, and take a look. Just let's inspect this page, and I see here a YouTube video here. No footer, just nothing. Just you have a button here to connect your wallet, and all this web page is about this field. It say, give me a token name or contract address. I give you back something. What you give me? Okay, just test. I put my contract address here, and I say, okay, that's this one. And what I get? I give information. I get information. And what are they? Take a look. Here, I see last transactions if they are coming. Let's see if they are coming here. 1 minute chart, and here we are seeing. Let's see. It say new token address. For example, take a look here. Here we get a chart and incoming and outgoing transactions. Okay, some of tokens, when you buy that, you cannot sell it anymore, but here you can see there are people selling, buying. Okay, where coming this data? Actually, this data, what you see here, for example, market cap and liquidity pools and those things. Oh, take a look. 73% of all that. Okay, I don't want to talk about that. And like this, that information is coming from here. You see? And now, guys, how we are be able to make something this and implement it in Java and SpringBoot? And if you give me like, I make this one in this web application also in Python and Flask. Okay, for these things, guys, this is an API and we want to make application, and for that we need to register ourselves here in this web page. You should do that. I say, okay, I have that one, and I say I'm logging it. Okay, when I'm logging in BSCSCAN web page, I have to generate an API key. And what's API key? API key is this. This is to connect between my application and BSCSCAN, and this web page knows me by this code. For example, if you go to the Binance.com, you have also this API key, but you are not going to share that because with this key I am be able to trade without logging in my account. Okay, when you coming here, it's really easy one to make an account here and say okay, add and give a name and just continue, and you get it, and you can edit it also here. This is our API key. We need this one. Let's see. Wait, what? Monthly 300 euros for 20 calls seconds. Okay, we go for free one. Okay, here. So okay, this is my API key, and take a look. I've made it yesterday, and that's okay. I say okay. Take this one. REST app, for example. Hey, let me remove this. Index controller. Here I want to make it for first as REST application, but it is just SpringBoot application. We need also front end. Okay, and let me show you some things here before that I am starting. Even kijken. Take a look here. Just let's inspect my code before that I'm starting. Take a look here. I have here some templates, and just I've copied them from my GitHub page, and these are nothing special. Just it has no function like this, and that's nothing. I can also remove them. There is nothing. And I have here application properties, and these are all commented, and just I have set it my port number to 8081. And if you check my POM XML, you see only one, just a Spring Starter Web, and those things are commented. With other words, I have only the onlyest Spring Boot Web dependency. Okay, we have to add them, for example timeleaf, MySQL, but at the time we don't need it. Okay, I am saying here this is, oh no, wait, and now let me show you something. And now if I'm coming back to this, to here, and I say here show me developer API. Okay, good, view API documentation. What here say? I say here I want to see endpoints. You say okay, good, endpoints URL, mainnet, testnet. These are the same, but this is to test and this is the main. I'm saying okay, I need a main one. When you coming here, you say okay, we have two type of requests, one this, one that. I go for second one. Take a look here. When I click there, I get information, but what it say? It say you missing API key. Take a look here. I say here I'm going to copy this. I say here that's the URL. You see that? That's the URL. That's the URL. And for you to see here, ask me here your API key, what we just made right now. Here getting API key, account dashboard, here API key. I copy that and I say okay, I have that one. Just put my API key there, and here ask also for the contract address that we want to see, and that was SafeMoon. Okay, I'll copy that, put it here, and I say okay, enter. Take a look. This is from block number 0 and 0 we don't need, also 1 2 3 4 5 6, giving from that block. Okay, and take a look here, all data here, but how can we read that? Binance, you disappointed me. Okay, we have to work with this endpoint. Okay, let's now begin and see what we can do. I say for first, this is REST controller. This is REST controller, and I'm saying here request mapping. Give me sitir gitti. So no, that was just فكاية. I'm saying here like this, and I say here index. Okay, and now let me enter here, let me enter there, and I say here to test it or it's okay, and you know that that's just a REST application, and you know differences between REST application and SpringBoot application. I say this is get mapping, and I say here public response entity show all, for example, like this, and here. But for that thing, we want to read this URL first. We have to make a method. And what's that method? I say here I make a public static string URL, for example reader. Okay, and this method accepts one parameter, and that's just I get a URL, and I work on that URL. Okay, like this. We want to read in out of a web page. What's that? String builder. And there are many many ways to do that. String builder, SP as standard name, new string builder, and here new string builder, I say string line, after string line I say after that input stream that is coming is equal to URL dot open connection or open stream, and here open stream okay, add exception, and then there I say here is just fucking exception, here speaking about exception, and I say a buffer reader reader, oh yeah, buffer reader reader is equal to we are reading just that open connection, new buffer reader, and new, I'm saying here new input stream reader, and that's in. Okay, and that's in. mm, and that's in. کس نگو بابا دارم کار انجام میدم. ای بابا بیام اونجا مریض کنم تو رو، ما رو برداشتی بردی تو رستوران مریضمون کردی 2 هفته، بعد الان کس نگو دیگه به من دیگه. میرینه تو اعصاب آدم، برداشت همه رو برده. Damn it. Sorry guys. I forgot that I'm recording that. Oh damn it. Yeah. Reader. That read line. What I want to do here, I want to read while that is not null. That is not null, and here I say sp.append. I'm appending that line dot append system dot line separator, and it is going to separate lines. Okay, and then I say and I say here finally catch, I don't want finally in dot close, and return statement and return sp.toString. Okay, this is reading our thing. Okay, now here in this get mapping, what we have there, I say here that's response entity, and here URL, and that's just new URL. It's with exception. And what is my new URL? And I say here string base URL is equal to like this. Okay, but the thing I have to copy just where is my key? Yeah, I have to copy this key here. For now I put it here, and then we build our ideas. Okay, and I say here that's a base URL. Okay, exception, that is this. And now I have here a method. I want to call my method URL reader, and what you read, just that URL. URL again, exception, URL, and here what you return for me, return response entity dot okay, and in body give me that URL. Okay, it sounds good. Okay, Let's now check it out. Okay, sounds good. And now we have here port 8081, okay. Local has 8081, okay. Just let me send an request. Take a look. What happened? Sorry. No. What I'm saying, I say here just here call my method here URL reader, and here put URL. It doesn't matter for me, but for Spring Boot, well, now. And it say that URL name back to me as body. And now let's check it out. Take a look here. Take a look here. We have no errors here. It says it's completed. And now take a look here, guys. All information, but let's now talk about this, guys. When we are talking about for example BSCSCAN, I say here that contract address, let's copy that again. For that is contract BRE. No, that is not BRE. I'm saying SafeMoon contract, for example. This one first. I'm going here. I say this is it. Okay. SafeMoon here. Take a look. Okay. This is a contract address of this, okay. And I say okay, this is also good contract address, okay. And now let's rewrite again. Even kijken. Even kijken. And here now. Again send a request. Even kijken here. Okay. Send again a request. That's okay. No. Okay. And now take a look. Now take a look. We get info. But what is the problem now? The problem. I say here localhost. Look, this is the data what we get from Binance, and this is our data, localhost. This is what we get. Okay, localhost. But let me check it out. 8081. I have other application also open. Okay, take a look here. What it say here? What it say? It is saying I want here. You saw that before. I say here start block. What is the start block? Our start blocks. Take a look here. I say block. This is last block, and I say from this block, because the old transaction I don't need it really. Okay, and I say that here just start block, just change it to this. and now again run it. From that block number, it say max we have to get 5 8081. Local as 8081, and take a look here. We get 2 or 3. Let's check it out. Localhost. Okay, take a look. This is our last hash, 735, and here I'm refresh it, 735. Let's check. Wait. Localhost 8081. Okay, localhost 8081, and what I have there, this is D3. Oh, wait. Here I am copying that. Guys, you have to put this one here, and here last block is usage the 3344 the 40, and now which contract we put there. Okay, that's good. Offset. Here I want only 3. I want only last 3 transaction, and here descending. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, take a look here now. I get only last 3, and now let's check what are last 3. Take a look. What I get is the last block 35. Last block. Last block. No, last block is 75. Last block one year back. Okay, let me see. Here it says 735. Last one, 735. Block oh yeah, it's timestamp. Block number 202. Oh yo. It's going so fast. Wait, I want here also descending. We are change these all after we get it in where. So give me some good. input here. Okay, let me say this is it. Okay, that's good. Okay, block number 403. Here 403. Just refresh it. 403. After that 401. 401. After that 3399. 3399. Okay. Now we get data live from this API to our console, and then we have now our API. We are be able to do it as our API. And now wait, Sami, uh, uh, something else? Yes, something else. Take a look here. What's the plan? What's the plan? I want when you coming on index page, ask you first, what is your API key? What is that token you want to track and trace, and what are other possibility? Okay, take a look here. Other possibilities. Here, I want to ask also my user from which block you want to start to which block. Okay, from which block to which block I make variable for. Okay, and I say here, with other word, I want to break this link to small pieces. How I'm doing that? I'm doing like this. Take a look, because it's wasting your time. And I'm saying here, take a look here. Take a look what I'm doing here. I say there, I say there, this link I don't need it. Take a look here. What I've done here, I say I am now be able to break these links. Take a look. I say here string URL 1 is to here. Okay, and I say URL 2, I say is from here, whoo, from here to here, sorry. Okay, and then my next variable is going to add, that is the URL that I want you ask, wanted token price, and that's the token that you want to have. Okay, after that I say now I want this one, start block, and you see that big link is broken up to the 11 string, but I don't need all of them. The strings or variables that I need, ask my user, these are named. Wanted, I want this one, start block, end block, offset is that how many you want to see. For example, I say I want to see last 5, or I want to see my result 10. Like here, I say here 3, and that's here offset 3. But maybe I want to check last 50, or let me see. Here is descending and ascending. Okay, and here is other rubbish thing, and here is my. Okay, and now take a look here. And now this base URL is going to be like this. Okay, this is it. And now we have the same URL, like this. like this, like this. Okay, now let's check it again. Okay, and now let's check it again. Okay, you see, that's the same. That's the same. That's the same. That's the same. Okay. And now let's check it out. Oh yeah. And now take a look here. I have access to these things now. Say, okay, I want to have last two. Okay, but each time I have to rerun my program. And for this thing, wait a moment, it is running again, and I say I want to offset. These are the things that user is going to filling up as input. I ask them and I take them here, but this is not the case right now. Just explaining first. And now again I have two results. Okay, and now let's check it out. What is my result? Block number 552 and block number 552. Let me block number 551, 552, but one of them is fucked up. Block 5152, block 51 and 52 is coming here, 52, and if I refresh my page I get 6159. 6159. Wait, I see here something else, guys, something not likely. Take a look here. It say timestamp. You see timestamp? Epoch, Unix format timestamp. Take a look here. Epoch converter. I'm coming here and I say here this is my epoch, and you just and it say these are seconds, because Unix time epoch is just seconds after year 1970, I think, and it say it's today on 11/10. You see, but now we have to convert this. Really, we have also to convert this one. We have also to convert this one, and we have to make it just, I don't know, method for. Guys, you can make it in other class, or I don't know, tell me, but I am going to do it in one class, and you know what's going to say. I say epoch converter, and it accepts a long number as whatever you want, seconds, and you say date is equal to new date. I think the new also no need. Okay, new date, new date. Damn it, Baba. New date, and I say that new date is at the time that seconds was coming. Date format date formatter, for example. Simple date format, and our pattern is year, month, day, hour, minute, second, and and like this. Okay. Yeah, and then here what you return for me, siktir. No, what you return for me, this one. You like it? I like it also. Not null. Okay, and now a simple method, and now let's just I want just to check this method only. You know what I mean? I want only first check this method, and after that let's see what already is possible. For that I say this does a get mapping. I say here, for example, epoch, and here it's public response again entity, convert epoch, it has parameter as long, for example, seconds, and because it's coming from internet request, it is this, and I say string converted, for example, is epoch converter seconds. Close it, come here, return response entity dot okay, and in the body give me this, and then like this. Okay, and now let's send a request to this endpoint. Let's do that. In 5 minutes I have to stop part 1, but let's make it some that was here. I say here I have here a long number, and I send it to this endpoint. Let's say require long parameter, long. Even kijken. Seconds here, like this, and now 1970. Why issue 1970? I have here, oh wait, here I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I have here 10 digit. Okay, 10 digit. Let me add 30. Take a look. We get, if I add 30 at the end of epoch time that I get from Binance, if I add here, for example, I copy this and I say here, okay, now is this. If I send this, it show me 1970. What if I add 3 zeros? It say like this, 2021. Now that's okay because that's from block 0. Okay, and let me now check it out. Let's see what a 13-digit timestamp is used in JavaScript to response time in millisecond, PHP. Okay, uh, how we are solve this problem? How we solve this problem? Okay, I'm saying here, okay, you, I don't know what the fuck you are. I say here seconds that is coming multiplies set 1000, and here and here and here give me change, and now I get, if you send me 13 digit, good, you get it. If you send 10, also no problem, we change it for you. Clear all, and I say here, okay, without 3 zeros I send and I get good and right time. For you to understand, say here again, let me refresh this page. Block number 752, and let's check here, block number 752, block number 752 timestamp is this. I am copy this one without 30. We want to test or it's good. Take a look here, 1119, and that's okay. And okay, now this also works. And what I want to do with this, because if you coming in our page and you want to read the time, which time is this, you have to convert it, and we have to convert this time also. After that, show users, and that's for the front end part. I do that, but just simple form application, for example, like this one, for example. So simple. And after that, but for now I have to go, and but this is the point. We make now connection to bind to BSCSCAN nodes, and we are be able to track and trace token and transaction that we like to. Okay, and if I'm going to check, it is 50 minutes and I have to go. Guys, see you in the next one. Have a nice day.